Friends, Gary's taking me on his motorcycle. Indiana's in love with a motorcycle! Friends, I'm somebody's backpack. This is the best day of my life. I hope you like seeing Henriette on motorcycles, because I like being on one. Y'all look so cool. Friends, the wind is blowing through my hair. Yeah, you sexy biker chick. You know you want me as a backpack, yeah. Aw, friends, our ride's coming to an end, and I'm very sad. I hope you enjoyed watching Henrietta's hair blowing in the wind. It's a great ride. I'm walking kind of bow-legged because I'm not used to being on a motorcycle, and my legs feel kind of weird. They're a little vibrating still. Yeah, I don't like it, but I'm gonna try to walk around, walk it out, yeah, walk it out.